And so right here, right where we are, we breathe into this moment, allowing the peace of spirit to flow into and around our hearts. We release, we let go of any thoughts that seek to distract us from that pure presence of God, that pure presence of light. We allow that light, that love to flow through us, into us, and around us, knowing that with it comes a sense of pure joy. Right now, we call forth that joy that dawns in our hearts. Right now, we choose to know that that joy comes not from around us, comes not from the presents, the boxes, the bags. It comes from within us. That true joy is more than anything around us. It is an inner process, a spiritual process. And so as we move into this stillness, we take this opportunity to rest in the presence of joy, to choose to focus only on the joy of spirit. If at any moment another thought tries to bubble its way into our mind, we simply take a breath and we gently release that thought out into the universe as we return our focus and our intention to the joy of spirit. And so it is with this as our intention that we move now into the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place, knowing that as we return our awareness to this outer world, that we carry with us this kernel of joy, this kernel of light. And with that kernel comes the knowledge that at any time, no matter where we are, no matter what is going on around us, we can call forth the joy that we are. And so as we prepare to enter into this week, we do so with the commitment to be the light, the love, the joy of God. And so it is. Amen.